Moines RC World. Okay, we got another unboxing to do. We've got the E-Flight Sportix 1.1 meter bind and fly. Get her out of the box for you. Wow, it's one of the easiest planes to pull out of the box I've ever had. A little dent on the outside of the outside box. Inside box looks fine. Let's get on this side. Here. Manual. Get out of there and get rid of this bag with the tape so I don't get it on the plane. There you go. Typical E-Flight manual. All the different languages. Let me get this out of there. I think it's my planes or balancing stands getting in the way. You know what? I'm going to get my coat off. Excuse me a second. Turn the heat up in the shop so you don't freeze. It's like 30 below wind chill outside, so it's pretty cold in here. Take the wings first. I kind of wish E-Flight would paint its weight foam. It's nicely finished, but it's got the ball links already installed. And quick connect wing. And this is kind of a unique design here. It's got like little turn knobs inside the fuselage where you secure the wing. Been into yellow planes lately. We got, of course, the Hangar 9. Probably see it hanging there. And then the E-Flight Super Timber. The other wing. Good shape. No dings. Hinges are just some plastic hinges. Or maybe they're nylon with a pinched hinge, foam hinge. So they're just more than a pinch hinge, which is nice. This one upside down so I don't mar it. Let's do it pretty quick and off, and really not much to it. We got the landing gear. Oh, nice soft tires. Wow, I like that. That is nice. I don't know what this tape's doing on here. If we lost something in the box or what. It's flexible. I don't know if it'll bend or not, but the plane is pretty light, so it probably won't. As long as I make good landings, which I don't always do. Here's the horizontal. Looks like there's a spar in there. Well, maybe not. Well, you do put a spar in. There's a spar that goes inside the tail. Okay. Looks like one's the same ball length. Looks like we got the nylon hinges. You can see that. Okay, get the fuse over here. Let's see. Go about getting out. Oh, we got the tail wheel here. Almost forgot about that. Looks like it clips in the fuselage, maybe. Looks like it. Oh, 50 Yeah, it's light. It really is. Plastic nose cone spinner, I mean. Let's see, it's got a spectrum. I can't really see it. It's like a 1,000 or 1030 kV, maybe. You can't get a good look at it. More nylon hinges. There's a little plastic piece where you attach your horizontal. Elevator. Yeah, there's that. Where that piece just clips in. Looks like for the tail wheel. We got a light in the back. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, let's look inside here. Canopy, and there is the wing spar and the spar for the horizontal stabilizer elevator. It's got an XT or an IC3, and here's those little turn latches. Yeah. Push them down, turn them. And we got tape here for your battery already installed. Don't like these straps, but probably can live with them. Okay, this plastic piece comes off. That's how you put your landing gear. Nice. The bottom. Cheetah holes. All right. Oh, I didn't see a propeller. Oh, there it is. It's white, so it blends in. Oh, 10 by 5. Balance that. All right, that's the unboxing of the E-Flite Sportix 1.1 meter. Takes a 4S, I think 2200 up to 3300, I believe. And it's got a, can't really see it in there, but it's got a AR631 Spectrum receiver tucked right in there. I think those are Metal Gear servos. Yes, they are. We'll check the wing here. Yes, Metal Gear servos. And it's on the, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th hole. I don't know. I'll probably bring that up a little bit, get a little more throw the ailerons. We'll see. Check it out, see how it flies. When I get to do that, hopefully we have a January thaw, and there isn't much snow out there, but it's cold. So we'll see if I can get a few of these planes made. And I think most of our fabric runway is snow-free, but I don't know for sure. I haven't been out there for a while. So, all right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and have a good day.